Is there any way for a common man to get the speedy justice, the speedy redressal of his or her grievances?
Common man, it's a complicated problem.
Because you
I'll tell you. What are the reasons for this delay? Inadequate infrastructure. What is the population of this country and what is the...
or somewhere no infrastructure.
How many judges are there? How many courts are there? And how many people are there in the country? And how many laws are operating on these 140 crores of people? Every law creates innumerable rights and obligations. Now, each one of us may not incur those obligations or have those rights and raising and revenue. Some laws may not apply to you. This factually may not apply to you. They operate. They may not apply to us. But at least it's the possibility of so much of litigation. Do we have enough number of courts is one thing. What is the competence level of the system? When I talk about competence, not only the competence of the judges, the lawyers, the supporting staff. Suppose you have 100 Krishnayars, I'm just choosing a name arbitrarily, brilliant, great judges, and you give him a bad stenographer. He will be the whole life he'll be correcting the draft.
Absolutely correct.
And another problem is this. In fact, this is, I must tell you, when I went to Guwahati, there were 17 posts of stenographers vacant there. I was there for 3 years. I could not fill up those posts. All India basis, we advertised twice. Because nowadays, hardly anybody is going in for a training in stenography. After the advent of computers, not many people are opting for stenography. I couldn't fill up those 17 posts. Who will do the job? So when I talk about the efficiency, all these are factors we have to look into.
But sir, it's a long process. Till the common man has to suffer.
Yes.
And there is no guarantee he will get justice. After so many years of legal battle, there is no guarantee of justice.
See, no guarantee. There can be guarantees in these matters. Ultimately, depends on if you want the result which you want is justice.
No. I don't say. I mean, any result which pleases me, or for example, things are traveling from lower court to Supreme Court, and finally.
Yes. That's another aspect. Do we really read this many levels of appeals? See, for example, you take that 138.
What is your idea?
I don't think it's required really. Take 138. I'll just give you an example. 138 prosecution. How many days of scrutiny is undertaken in this country on that? It goes basically before a magistrate.
The process has become very simple now.
What has become simple?
138 process.
What is the simplicity?
I mean, the way the new amendments came for. I'm not defending the process, but here,
tell me what is. At least I'm not aware of what you're talking about.
I'm talking about 138 process.
Yeah, that's right. What is the process?
The first opportunity is given to settle the matter. If the matter is not settled at first opportunity and you settle it after the final order is pronounced, then you have to pay some extra amount, say 10% or something there. Because I don't practice NI Act. But these are very few add-ons compel the litigants to settle the matter with earliest possible opportunity.
No, really. Let me see. Let me see how it works out. So at least before these amendments, what was happening? Magistrate, District Court, High Court, 136. In fact, one matter, quite often what happens is where the big amounts are involved, a check of, let us say, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, the drawer of the check would happily go on litigating till the Supreme Court. Last minute, if he realizes this judge is not very merciful judge, will not interfere in his favor, he'll say, my lord, I'll pay the money, my lord, your lordship, my kindly.
After that long battle.
Kindly say prosecution should be dropped. So in one case, I said, yes, I'll drop the prosecution, I'll use my 142 power, this thing. But then you have wasted so much of judicial time, compensated. Pay 10% of the amount due to the legal service authority so that money can be used for some deserving client.
Harasal presents May It Please My Lords in association with Celestial Radiance, the Chosen One, powered by Vedic Legal and Company.